her finger, open up the rose, standing on tiptoes. Suddenly the rain came flooding, sending two of them scoring. Helter-skelter for the shelter, I'm feeling older in the big pagoda. He's entering afternoon, and they waited till the sunshine came. And for a while the griffin smiled, kindly, blindly, till the evening bell broke the spell, and sadly they said goodbye. And one of the griffins cried,